Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Then after Kunal, Bhakta Piyush.
As usual, I'm giving names which are, mostly I'll be giving names which are given by Srila Prabhupada to some of his disciples. So most of the devotees will be getting a name which is also a name of one of Srila Prabhupada's disciples. Oh, we didn't get the meanings here. Okay, that's supposed to. Please sit here. Sit properly. Yeah, just tap. I didn't get the neck beads. How about the neck beads? Okay, no one got neck beads, new neck beads? Okay, get the neck beads, then we'll do the needful.
Japamala, not
I have one.
Okay. You have new neck beads, they're offered to Krishna. Then they should be given. Okay, take this now. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. You can offer full obeisance.
No, this way.
Watch out for that camera stand.
Oh.
Yeah, please sit here.
Can you do it?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj.
Charnayam.
No meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, and no illicit sex.
And no tilak.
No,
you need your tilak putting on properly. Okay, you're also postponed. Get the tilak on properly. Okay.
So
this is a Shivratri start.
So Piyush is also getting ready. So next is Mataji Tanima. And after her, Mataji Kakon.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Get the... Vikasa. Charnayam, Bala.
Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. No meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, no illicit sex. And so at least 16th round chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day.
Very good. So this is the name of one of Srila Prabhupada's disciples. Name is Tanu Madhya Devi Dasi.
Tanu Madhya Mataji ki jai.
Tanu Madhya is a gopi name, means she has a slender waist. Actually, Srila Prabhupada gave this name to a male disciple, but it's a gopi name. common surname in Bengal. Push. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. Please accept my humble obeisances. The four regulative principles: no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, no illicit sex, and chanting minimum 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra daily.
Jai. Perfect. Another name given by Srila Prabhupada, Leela Mohini Devidasi. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. What does H mean? What's that H there stand for? Oh, I see. Demon Radha Krishna, Swami Dan Pashe better. Or Sri Bam Pashe. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Maguru Maharajji.
Is it a Notun Kantemala?
Notun. New.
New. Yeah.
Nishinga Kavach.
Okay. Kavacha Dodi Pora Hoy. Hate Pora Hoy. Anyway, go on. Charniyam.
নিরামিষ আহার করতে হবে, নিরামিষ আহার করতে হবে, কোনো জুয়ো খেলা যাবে না, আমিষ আহার করতে হবে, আমিষ আহার বর্জন, সরি,
Nervous.
অবৈধ যৌন সঙ্গ বন্ধ আর দুদকিয়া বন্ধ।
Sahadharmani, Sahayata. Dharma Sahayata করছে। কত মালা?
16 মালা।
কত মালা করতে হবে প্রতিদিন কমপক্ষে?
কম করে 16 মালা।
16 মালা। ঠিক আছে।
হরে কৃষ্ণ।
Srila Prabhupada প্রদত্ত নাম Yadavananda Das. বাংলায় যাদবানন্দ বলে।
যাদবানন্দ প্রভু কি জয়।
হরে কৃষ্ণ, প্রণাম গুরু মহারাজ।
চারটি নিয়ম বলো।
কমপক্ষে 16 মালা জপ করতে হবে প্রতিদিন, অবৈধ যৌন সঙ্গ বর্জন, নিরামিষ আহার আমিষ আহার বর্জন, দ্রুতক্রিয়া বর্জন, সমস্ত রকমের নেশা বর্জন।
জয়। Srila Prabhupada প্রদত্ত নাম লীলা সখী দেবীদাসী। So you can sit behind. You can sit behind. Okay, but sit properly.
Я обещаю не есть мясо, рыбу и яйца,
To don't eat meat, fish and eggs.
не вступать в недозволенные половые отношения,
Do illicit sex.
не играть в азартные игры,
Will not do gambling.
не принимать интоксикации
Will not take intoxication.
и повторять 16 кругов Махамантры минимум ежедневно.
Mahamantra minimum 16 days.
16 rounds then. Okay. So this is a name given by Srila Prabhupada. I'm going to give a name given by Srila Prabhupada.
Я даю вам имя, которое дает Шрила Прабхупада.
It's also a very suitable name for
Это очень
Shivaratri.
простое имя.
It's a suitable name for Shivaratri.
Шиваратри.
The name is Shivanivasa Das.
Shivanivas Prabhu ki jai.
New neck beads? The new neck beads? Does she have on new neck beads?
Это все, что у вас есть на шее? Это новая кантимала? Я плохой переводчик просто. I'm not good translator, they just ask me to translate.
Okay. So,
Гуру Махарадж, я обещаю не есть рыбу, мясо,
I
яйца,
promise to don't eat meat, fish and eggs.
не играть в азартные
Will not
игры,
play, will not do gambling.
не вступать в недозволенные половые
No illicit
отношения,
sex.
не употреблять
And
одурманивающих
don't get
средств.
intoxication.
Каждый день
And every
повторять
day chanting 16
на
rounds
четках 16 кругов Хари Кришна Махамантры.
by Mala.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
this is also a name given by Srila Prabhupada.
Это имя тоже от имени Шрилы Прабхупады.
The name is Lalita Kunda Dasi.
Lalita Kunda Dasi Mataji ki jai. Next, be ready. Mausami.
Need it here also.
Mataji Mausami.
Yeah, can she sit like this, or is it difficult for her?
Можете сесть, пожалуйста, в лотос?
Haddebenna.
Я обязуюсь
I
соблюдать
promise,
4 регулирующих
Follow
принципа.
4 regulation principles.
Не употреблять
Don't
мясо, яйца,
Eat
рыбу.
meat, eggs and fish.
Не играть в азартные игры.
Don't do gambling.
Не употреблять одурманивающих средств.
No intoxication.
И не заниматься недозволенным
And no illicit sex.
сексом.
How many rounds?
Я обязуюсь читать
And I
каждый день
will,
не менее 16
chant
кругов.
at least 16 rounds every day.
All right. This
Of
is a name
Mahamantra.
given by Srila Prabhupada.
Я даю имя от имени Шрилы Прабхупады.
It's the name of Yamuna
Это имя Ямуны.
Mandari Devidasi.
Mandari Mataji ki jai. Anupam?
হরে কৃষ্ণ গুরু মহারাজ, আমার প্রণাম গ্রহণ করুন।
Charti niyam bolun.
আমি সাহার বর্জন, নেশা বর্জন, দ্রুতক্রিয়া বর্জন আর অবৈধ সঙ্গ বর্জন, আর কমপক্ষে প্রতিদিন 16 মালা জপ।
Srila Prabhupada Pradottanam Amidichi Mohini Shakti Devidasi. Hare Krishna.
Mohini Shakti Mataji ki jai.
Please accept my humble obeisances, Guru Maharaj. 4 regulative principles: no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, and no illicit sex. And chant regular 16 rounds, minimum 16 rounds, Harinam Mahamantra.
Every day?
Every day.
Okay, there's also a name given by Srila Prabhupada. Aprameya Das.
Aprameya Prabhu ki jai.
Aprameya is a name which comes in Vishnu Sahasranaam. It means immeasurable, or who cannot. Well, there are various meanings. I gave a talk on it. You can look it up in my app. Aprameya. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Who's next? Should be ready?
They're all, just 2 more.
I will follow the 4 regulative principles: no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, and no illicit sex. And I will minimum chant 16 rounds per day.
All right, this is a name given by Srila Prabhupada, very suitable for Shivratri, Kailash Chandra Das. Hare Krishna.
Kailash Chandra Prabhu ki jai.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisances at your lotus feet. I will follow the 4 regulative principles, which are no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, and no illicit sex. And I will chant daily minimum 16 rounds of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
It's also a name given by Srila Prabhupada, also very suitable for Shivratri, Shivanath Das.
Shivanath Prabhu ki jai. So the second initiates will be Mataji Padmavati Mahasundari, then Valapsena Prabhu, then Ramanya Prabhu, and Srivas Thakur Prabhu.